Hi, I'm Gideon Gilda. If you understand that in modern markets, it's innovate or die, and you want to do something about it, you want to bring up your business unit or your organization to a level where it's innovating every generation or every season, please contact us. You'll get two main benefits from working with us. One is tangible results, product lines, services, technology, IP products, this is intellectual property products. And the second is knowledge and methodology of how to innovate from generation to generation. You'll have the engine of innovation within your business unit, within your organization. You can always start with Methodical Inventive Thinking workshop, which is an enjoyable introduction and can get you started with real-life thinking tools. If you have technological or business problems you want to solve, this is again a great way to get introduced. We can do it over the web or face-to-face. We work with high-tech, biotech companies, environmental companies, and traditional industry as well. My background is electrical engineering from the Technion Israel and master's degree in business administration from the University of Haifa. With me are a group, our network of top professionals in most technological fields. Here are a few innovative results we've made with our clients. The Octave ultrasonic water meter by Master Meter, which is a company of the Arad Group. The Octave has made a technological and business quantum leap. It reached its main business goal and was on schedule. Real cool cotton, sweat evaporating cotton, natural fabric cotton that leaves you dry and comfortable. A new technology and a trademark. It was applied in most of Delta Galil's underwear products. Problem solving in high-tech and biotech companies. We get into real technological issues. We get involved in the actual problem and solve it through understanding of the matter. Please see our client section on our website for more details. So if you find it interesting, please fill up your details in the form next to me, send me, and you'll be on my newsletter, and we could meet and discuss your innovation project. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.